Brazil is one country, but it can honestly feel like 5 different vibes. From the Amazon to the beaches, slang changes everywhere you go. Learning a little regional slang helps you make friends fast, fit in, and really experience Brazilian culture. Hey, I'm your guide from my Brazilian friend. Today, I'll help you unlock the secret sauce, Brazilian slang, by region. We'll cover all 5 major regions: North, Norte, Northeast, Nordeste, Center-West, Centro-Oeste, Southeast, Sudeste, and South, Sul. Ready to sound more local? Let's go. Most learners memorize standard Portuguese, but when they meet real Brazilians, they hear slang or funny expressions and get totally confused. That's totally normal, it happens to everyone. Don't worry, we'll fix that today. Here's great news. You don't have to learn everything. Just a couple of slang words and one real phrase per region can make you stand out. And trust me, Brazilians love when foreigners try regional slang, especially when it's respectful and friendly. Let's jump in region by region. Please note, slang and accents can vary even within a region. That's Brazil for you. 1. North, Norte, Norte. Characteristics: Amazon vibes, tropical fruits, river culture, friendly and relaxed people. Slang: Maninho, Maninho, means buddy, or bro, like dude. Slang: Egua, EHGWA, an exclamation meaning wow, or no way. Kind of like whoa. Popular phrase: Ei, Maninho, tudo beleza? Aie, Maninho, tudo beleza? Hey buddy, everything good? Pronunciation tip: Egua rhymes with awa, but the GWA sounds like guacamole. Repeat after me: Maninho, Egua. Now try: Ei, Maninho, tudo beleza? 2. Northeast, Nordeste, Nordeste. Characteristics: beaches, hot sun, laid back, full of jokes and music. Foro. Slang: Accente, Oxenchi, means what, or no way. A fun exclamation. Popular phrase: Oxe, Borala, Oxi, Bor Allah, let's go, or come on. Pronunciation tip: Oxe equals O plus she, with a soft shish. Repeat after me: Accente, Oxe, Borala. 3. Center-West, Centro-Oeste, Sen True Oeste. Characteristics: the land of cowboys, barbecue, churrasco, wide open spaces, strong R sounds. Slang: Bao, baon, means good, like bomb, but more regional. Popular phrase: Ta bao de mais, so. Ta bon de mais so. That's really great, man. Pronunciation tip: Bao rhymes with down, without the D. Repeat after me: Bao. Ta bao de mais, so. 4. Southeast, Sudeste, Sudeste. Characteristics: big cities, Rio, Sao Paulo, coffee, lively talkers, quick pace, lots of mix. Slang: Beleza, beleza, means cool, or okay. Popular phrase: Feco, fechou, deal, or it's settled. Pronunciation tip: Beleza sounds like bel plus lei plus za. Feco is like fe plus show, like English show. Repeat after me: Beleza, Feco. 5. South, Sul, Sul. Characteristics: more European influence, cold weather, barbecue, again, direct and friendly. Slang: Ba, means wow, geez, or just expresses surprise. Popular phrase: Capaz, capaz, no way, or really, when something is surprising or hard to believe. Pronunciation tip: Ba is just like ba in bah humbug. Capaz is ka, like car, plus pause, like English pause. Repeat after me: Ba, capaz. Awesome. Now, if you meet a Brazilian or travel to any of these regions, you'll notice when someone drops regional slang. You can respond naturally and instantly feel more included in the conversation. Here's a cool fact: Brazil is super diverse, and regional identity is really strong. When you use a local expression, you show respect and curiosity. So listen for context, relax, and don't forget to smile. Pick your favorite phrase from today and say it out loud 5 times. Practice makes progress. Want a fun challenge? Write "I'm team, region," and your favorite phrase in the comments. And don't miss our next lesson: Brazilian connectors and survival phrases you'll use every day.